Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In the past week, Government of Singapore has bought close to 95,57,522 shares of a fundamentally sound private bank at Rs 1130 on the National Stock Exchange. ING Mauritius was the seller with 127,45,702 shares sold at the same price. Now, with the government buying into this bank, it's a great vote of confidence for the future prospects of this stock. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the company in question is Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited, which is available at Rs 1168.60 and the face value for it is 5. The symbol for it is KOTAKBANK. Now, the company has been on a beautiful uptrend for the majority of the year, but of late it has had a very torrid time. The market cap of the company is 2,22,866.11 crores, which indicates that the company is a large cap one. The EPS of 35.35 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 32.90, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 32.26. The price to book ratio of 4.3868 is, however, a bit on the higher side. Being a bank, the debt to equity is not wildly expensive at 1.2242, whereas the return on equity for this company is 0.1329. The dividend yield is 0.06. Now, this bank is considered to be one of the most fundamentally sound banks in India. Now, friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. This is just news that we are bringing to you. Please go ahead and perform your own due diligence prior to taking any positions in this stock. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.